Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. I wish you all a happy and a prosperous year 2021. In this year 2021, we look at how it will be for Pisces or Meena Rashi people. So the general overview will be like this. This year will begin with your Rashi Lord, that is Jupiter in 11, along with Saturn, who also happens to be your 11th Lord, in favorable positions. Rahu will remain positive throughout the year because he is posited in the third house. The first quarter is a very good one for all of you. Okay, in terms of long-term planning and initiatives, you will be able to do them. You may get good success and name in your undertakings, specifically in the first quarter and also in the third quarter. You may win new orders or get that pending promotion. The second quarter may bring in some challenges and slowdowns. Okay, like there could be some variation in health, some communication, troubles in the family front. Q3 will bring in more positivity and new opportunities. You may get promoted or start the dream project. The fourth quarter, with Jupiter entering the 12th house from your Rashi, can bring some challenges. There could be some stress coming in that last part of the year. So overall, if I have to talk, it's going to be a very good year for Meena Rashi or the Pisces sign people. Okay, it indicates good progress and overall prosperity this year. Now moving to health. Health more or less will be stable in the first and the third quarters of this year. However, there could be small issues like at times there could be some high fever, mental anxiety, pain in the shin part of the leg. Okay, in Q2, that is from April, you need to take good care of your health. Injury to legs is indicated. Injury due to small mishaps is indicated. There could be stomach pain, there could be indigestion, cuts or bruises to legs, boils that take a longer time to heal could be seen during that time. Q4, that is period between October and December, however, may also bring in some issues like headaches, gastritis, digestive troubles, etc. Take good care of your health in the second and the fourth quarter of this year. Rest of the year you will be more or less very healthy. So in terms of career or business, if I have to talk, for working people, the first quarter may bring in a very good time at work. You may be recognized well for your contributions and get that raise or change in position. Everything may go smoothly in the first quarter. You need to keep your harsh speech and aggressive approach in control to make the best out of the first quarter. Q2 may bring in some slowdown in your actions. If you are careless, then you will have many occasions where you may get humiliated also. Take extra care in the second quarter. So communication needs to be crisp and clear in the second quarter. Okay, so third quarter will be better for you with some new opportunities coming your way. You will be able to finish your tasks on time. Q4 will bring in some unexpected changes at your workplace. You may kind of be shifted to another role or another office or maybe another city. People could talk behind your backs, so please pay attention there. Overall, a very good year for the working people. Only the good care is needed towards the end of the year and some part of the second quarter. Businessmen will find themselves very lucky in the beginning of this year. There could be a sudden gain through some pending project which was holding for a long time, that could come their way. Some new opportunity may also open up out of the blue. They need to control their harsh speech, however, and stay focused to make the best of this beginning. Q2 may slow down the speed a little bit. There could be difference of opinion between you and your business partners. So be careful while dealing with the government projects specifically in the second and the fourth quarters. Third quarter will bring in more positivity. However, with Jupiter going to the 12th in the last part of the year, it can cause some stress and you may have to face some failures if you are careless. So stay focused, committed to have a great year. Now let's look at how it will be for students. This year begins with a positive note. Q1 can bring in lot of results for your efforts. You could get good appreciation for your work, and you may also find some extra things that you could do. The second quarter, you will need more discipline and focus to get things done. You may slightly feel out of touch in the second quarter. The third quarter will help you to regain that confidence, and you will be more focused and you will work diligently. In the fourth quarter, you may experience a little low confidence, lesser strength to complete any action. So stay focused to make this year a great one. Now let's look at wealth, how wealth is going to be. Good gains are indicated in the first quarter. Sudden gains in the form of a windfall, a sudden promotion or an unexpected deal are also indicated. Some may receive wealth through inheritance also, or through a gift. The second quarter may bring in unexpected expenses. You may spend without any plan. Speculation may not yield good results in the second and the fourth quarters. The third quarter will bring good gains in business. You need to pay attention to your investments in the last part of the year. A very good year in terms of gains with some small issues in between, specifically in the last part of the year, are indicated. Family, I would say, on the family front, good food, nice events may take place in the first quarter. Keep your anger and your aggression and your harsh speech, I would say, under control to have a very good time in the family, and also to avoid unnecessary arguments. Children will behave nicely in the first and the second quarters. You may explore your spiritual side more this year. Okay, have patience and speak calmly in the second and the fourth quarter. Elders' health may need attention during June-July months. Okay, your relationship with your siblings may go up and down in this year. Support from friends and relatives will be plenty. Okay, it will be specifically very good during the first and the third quarters. So the word of caution is, let your harsh speech not spoil the good atmosphere that you are going to enjoy in this year. So overall a good year with some troubles in the end are indicated. So there are some remedies which you can perform and then have a much better year. You can perform a Rudrabhisheka on a Thursday of the second quarter. Okay, from April to June. Select any of the Thursday of a Shukla Paksha is always better. Do a Rudrabhishek on that Thursday. You can donate articles related to Jupiter on a Thursday in the second quarter. That is saffron, sugar, honey, turmeric, yellow colored sweets or yellow colored clothes on a Thursday. You can also do a japa 108 times for Jupiter. That is Om Gram Greem Grom Saha Gurave Namaha. Om Gram Greem Grom Saha Gurave Namaha. Om Gram Greem Grom Saha Gurave Namaha. Throughout the year also you can do this. You can recite this japa for Jupiter, because Jupiter happens to be your Rashi Lord, so it will enhance the strength of Jupiter. Fasting on a Thursday will also be very beneficial for you. You can feed dogs and birds on Thursdays. That is also very good for you. So please perform these remedies. This is going to be a fantastic year for you all. So make the best use of it. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.